There's one last concept here I'd like to explore as it relates to going beyond document management, and that's the cloud. For anyone really following tech trends over the last year or even the last decade, we all know that the cloud's value has been amplified and proven to serve as this essential part of organization strategies. And during the pandemic, it just became even more critical for providing services, tools, and apps that could support a remote workforce. So this IDG report here, this was published earlier in 2020, and this is based on pre-pandemic survey results. But here, as we can see, even before the pandemic hit, it was clear that we were very much already on an increasing cloud adoption trend across industries. Whether the COVID situation happened or not, the value of cloud services was already being recognized as this vital endeavor, vital effort to support digital transformation initiatives. By being on the cloud, you have a number of advantages compared to traditional on-premises approaches. For one thing, just the very nature of not having to maintain your own servers brings a ton of benefits. Already, that removes the on-site hardware maintenance costs. It improves scalability since hardware doesn't need to be constantly allocated. IT teams can just become more agile this way. And overall, cloud SaaS vendors are able to push feature improvements, new features, and security updates and patches as soon as they're available so their customers can have immediate access to the latest and greatest to solve business problems and drive innovation. In non-cloud scenarios, usually preparing upgrades to the latest software could practically take months in some cases, having to pass through multiple internal protocols before eventually reaching end users. And plus, with the cloud, there's the added peace of mind as well that systems are backed up in event of an emergency to support business continuity. And beyond that, stringent security practices are implemented at a level that practically may be hard for many organizations to do on their own. So looking forward in this year, hopefully we can put this pandemic behind us, but we know its effects will be felt for years to come. And it's already drastically accelerated digital transformation efforts in a matter of months. This shared experience shows that we never really know what's in store for our businesses, and we must invest in these types of technologies that will help future-proof our organizations and allow us and everyone to become more agile, responsive, and be able to adapt more than ever before. So to bring it all together here now and summarize things up for this session, we really focused on three main topics: document management, process automation, and the cloud. And as we discussed at the start of this session, we often see that document management is a place that many organizations may initially embark on, and indeed has a number of significant merits on its own. But it's really through this kind of trifecta, so to speak, that we see organizations achieving more success and realizing more of their potential. With process automation providing the necessary backbone and operational engine that will allow organizations to better maximize the value of their document management investments. And finally, cloud technology is there to serve as this infrastructure foundation that will enable the agility and security necessary to solve today's problems and help us stay flexible, whatever may come in the future.